Deep in the heart of Central Africa, the Congo Rainforest teems with life. It's one of the most biologically rich regions on the planet, home to an astonishing variety of species, many found nowhere else. Among its most captivating inhabitants are mammals that have adapted to life in the dense, humid forest, navigating complex ecosystems that have remained largely untouched for centuries. These mammals, each with its own niche and behavior, play vital roles in maintaining the balance of this environment.